Sometimes you meet a person and just click. You're comfortable with them like you've known them your whole life. And you don't have to pretend to be anyone or anything.
പറയൂ
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 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിന്നെ പറ്റി നീ കുറച്ച് പൊങ്ങിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാനത് റിപ്പീറ്റ് നിങ്ങൾ അറേഞ്ച്ഡ് മാരേജ് ആണോ ലവ് മാരേജ്?
എന്തായിട്ടാ തോന്നണേ?
അറേഞ്ച്ഡ് കം ലവ് ആയി പോയി.
പറയണ്ടേ?
When the silence is too much to bear, when it seems you disappeared, when hope is in short supply, even breathing feels tired.
ഒന്ന് വന്നേ മോനെ, അവിടെ എന്നിട്ട് എന്താ കുറച്ചേ കാര്യം? വീട്ടിലേക്ക് വാ.
എവിടെയാ റാണി പെരുമേനെ?
Keep me connected to you like I was your shadow. You're giving me answers to all of my questions here on my pillow. Oh, can nothing get in between us, baby? We've been waiting on this moment for so long. You wanna be reckless, restless, right until tomorrow.
Wait.
When I put my lips on you, you feel the shivers go up and down your spine for me, make you cry for me. When I put my lips on you, I hear your voice echoing all through the night for me, baby, cry for me. When I put my lips on you, when I put my lips on you, just turn out the lights. You can be my private dancer. When we close the curtains, you and me can't forget all our manners. Oh, the neighbors must think that we're crazy, baby. Just look how easily we keep coming undone. You wanna be reckless, restless, right until tomorrow.
Wait.
When I put my lips on